It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, let's do some of the best questions today here, which you might have not seen previously anywhere, right? So today we will be doing permutations and combinations, probability, right? Averages, mixtures, alligation, geometry, all the combo questions, right? So again, time and again, I'm saying the same point there. This question series will be helpful for all your examinations. Airport Authorities of India, SSC, JEE, right? Hi King, fine. How are you? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma. These are my scores in different examinations. These are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach. How this coach will be helpful? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and your educator, so that you can speak with them about your difficulties facing during your preparation personally, where you will get best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage with this personal coach is you will be getting personalized test analysis. This is what students need right now, ma'am. Most of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to apply the things there. But we are not able to solve the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. If those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. Now, these are the features of plus and iconic. Now, how much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus, 1 second. If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right finally to me. I have done the entire GS course of BPSC. Again, coming courses also, I will be doing all the ESC courses will be done by me only, right? So do try to have my guidance there, and yes, you will be getting 10% discount also. After 10% discount, the price will be 53,737 for 24 months. For 12 months, it is 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to iconic, so I already explained you the features what you get in iconic in the previous slides. Apart from that, you will be getting notes prepared by topmost educators in India, and these are the prices for iconic. On this prices, right? On this prices, you will be getting 10% discount when you use my code. And yes, of course, those who are expecting more discount, do try to write combat, which happens on June 17th. It is a major league combat, sharp 12 p.m. Based upon the score, you can get at least 25 to 100% discount. So unlock the combat using with my code NLN10. Right? Let's start the question series here. Done. Chalo. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes. So we have solved all these questions. Let's go for the questions which we have not done. So this is the question that we have to do. I'm expecting, so I'll be giving you 2 minutes for each and every question. Let's see how many can solve this. So it is a basic profit and loss based question, arithmetic question, but a little bit twist, right? Ask Ganesh, क्या doubt, subject का doubt है तो I'll be answering you very happily. If personal, I cannot do anything. So those who can write down the data perfectly, yes, you can solve the question fatafat and easily here. Any answers? Those who can crack this idea can answer this question in 30 seconds. Raghav sold his car at a loss of 20% and the truck at a profit of 25%. His overall profit was rupees 5,000. Had he sold the car at profit of 25% and the truck at the loss of 20%, his overall loss would be rupees 3,000. Find the ratio of the initial selling price of the car to that of the truck is the question. Any answers for this? Chita Gupta, my regular student, right? I mean, announcing her name in every class. Harshavardhan. Nobody got this. Let us see. I'll write down like this. I'll write down the car cost price as there are many percentages and values are there. Right, if you are weak in basics, again you can watch the plus course, right? So my plus course, what happens is every day I will be having a question series in my plus course here. You can watch that. Car ka cost price I will be writing down as 100A. Okay, now observe there, Raghav sold his car at a loss of 20%, it seems. Now how much will be the loss there? Loss will be taken as 20A. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now I will be writing down the truck wala things there. Truck. He had sold the truck at a profit of 25%. So I'll take down truck cost price as 100B. So what will be now? Now he got profit on truck itself. Now what will be the profit there? 25% on selling price. Is it 25B? And what finally what happened there? His overall profit was rupees 5,000 it seems. So the profit you got on truck is more than the loss that you got on car. So can I write down this equation as 25B? The profit you got on truck is more than the loss you got on car. So automatically finally you will be getting profit only 5,000. So aram se dekho, I will be writing down like this. I can remove 5 as a common factor from this. So I can write down the equation as 5B minus 4A is equal to 1000. Yes. Chalo, I'll keep it aside. I'll write down the next scenario. Had he sold the car at a profit of 25%. Now see here, now he got a profit. I'll write down blacking. Now he got a profit of 25% means 25A. Now here he got a loss on truck at 20%. Is it 20B? And then his overall loss it seems. So overall loss means the loss what he got on truck is more than the profit that he got on car. So my equation will be changing as like this: 20B minus 25A is equal to 3000. Now what is the question asked? Find the ratio of initial selling price of the car to that of truck. Initial selling price of the car is nothing but 100A, and initial selling price that of the truck is selling price it seems. So selling price is 80A. Now selling price is 125B. We will do it. Okay. So observe here. Can I write down the same equation like this? 20B minus 25A is equal to, in the place of 1000, 3 into, I'll write down like this. Can I write down this equation 5B minus 4A? Perfectly I can write down. So I will get a relationship between A and B. So this is 15B. This 15B will come to this side, will become 20B minus 15B will be 5B. This 25A will go that side. So 3 4s are 12. So 25 minus 12 is 13A. So automatically what is A by B value? A by B value is nothing but equal to 5 by 13. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me regarding this? Perfectly, na? So I got my A value is 5 and my B value is 13. Now the question asked is, find the ratio of initial selling price of car. Initial selling price of car, I'll write down in blue ink, is nothing but equal to 80A because you got loss there. So initial selling price of car is 80A divided by is to selling price of truck. It's initial selling price of truck is 125B. You got profit there, so it is 125B. So finally I can substitute 80A in the place of A. Can I substitute 5 there? Yes, I can substitute 5 there. In the place of B, can I substitute 13 there? Yes, I can substitute 13 there. So this is 5 1s are, this is 5 25s are. So this is 5 5s are, and this is 5 1s are, 5 16s are. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly. 16 5s are 80. So your answer will be 16 is to 65. How many of you got this there? So the ratio of initial selling price of car to that of truck is 16 is to 65. Hope so you got my point clearly there. Yes. So those who can write down the data, you can solve the question fatafat and very easily. Let's see one of the very best question, right? This is regarding Venn diagrams here. 97% of your GATE and ESE, all the examinations. Let us suppose take in 1 year sale paper, all the 50 questions were completely Venn diagrams only. Let's see how many can solve this. Good evening, Suraj. An MBA class has 100 students. Every student has to choose at least one elective. Okay. Among the three, marketing, macroeconomics, and human resources. 50% of the students choose marketing, 70% of the students choose macroeconomics, and 90% of choose human resources, it seems. Find the minimum number of students who choose 3 electives is the question asked. Answers for this. Here I'll take the diagram. You can understand this. Right? So total is written as mu. I'll write down this. It's nothing but 100 given there. Now this is A, B, C, E, F. I'll take down the values like this. So I will be taking down this one as marketing, microeconomics, macroeconomics I'll be taking down as ME. I'll take down as HR. Now see here, every student has to choose at least one elective, means there will be no such student who will be not choosing any elective. So my none value will be how much? My none value will be 0. Right or wrong? In this college, there is no such student who doesn't select any elective. 50% of the students choose marketing. So here, so is it given only marketing? No, here complete circle of marketing circle is given as 50. And complete ME, right? Macroeconomics is 70. Okay, fine. And see, 90% choose human resources, it seems. Yes, perfectly fine. Find the, now the question asked is find the minimum number of students who choose 3 electives. Now you are 3 electives means G value. Am I right or wrong? G minimum value is the question asked. Okay, then how will you find out these values here? Chalo, right? So ab dekho. If G, so G is the center pivot value, right? Let us consider as a geometry thing. There are 3 plates and these 3 plates are screwed up at center with a pivot called G. So G is the balancing value of all the 3 circles. Am I right or wrong? So this G has to be minimum, matlab the remaining values has to be maximum. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So we will do like this, how to take, right? What to take those values there. So randomly you cannot guess it and write down each and every value, which takes so much of time. Let's go in a mathematical way. Chalo, right? I'll write down like this. Now observe there. Let us suppose take remove HR circle. If I remove HR circle, now closely observe there. What is the remaining values there? In total value, A plus D plus B is the leftover value. And this value is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 10? Yes, it is 10 because HR value is 90 or total value is 100 and value is 0. So I'll write down remaining values. Let us suppose take I will be removing marketing value. If I remove marketing value, what is the remaining value there? B plus E plus C is nothing but equal to how much? 50. Perfectly done. Let's come to the next value there. Now I will be removing macroeconomic circle. So A plus F plus C is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 30? Yes, it is 30. Now you closely observe, as I said that if G has to be maximum, remaining values has to be minimum. So remaining values has to be max. If G has to be minimum, remaining values has to be maximum. If so, see here, let us keep D, G, F 0. Can I take A value 50? Can I take A value 50? No, I cannot take A value 50. Why? Take right, A plus D plus B is equal to 10. How can you take A as 50? A plus F plus C is 30. Then how can you take A as 50? That is not possible value there. So chalo, again, the next considerable value is, let us suppose, take as you said that, as I said, that G is a central pivot value. The next basic value which can satisfy more circles is D, E, F. So if we can balance that values, then we can come to G later there. I'll come to D balancing, right? Because D can be shared to two circles. Now I'll come with D. What maximum value can you give for D? Is it 10? Yes, it is 10. So my A will be 0 and my B will be 0. Let us write down this. If at all, if I am going wrong, I'll go with this. So D max value is 10. My A value is 0. My B value is 0. You have to satisfy all those values. Let's come to this one. A value is already, you took it as 0. I'll take down F as maximum value. F is 30. If F is 30, now my C value is equal to 0. Now closely observe there. Now you closely observe there, marketing entire circle value A, D, F, G. A is 0, D is 10, F is 10. 30 plus 10, 40. Total value is 50. So how much I can take G value? I can take G value as 10. Is it valid? Let's see later on. Right, up they go. Now see here, I took my B value as 0. If, let us see whether it is satisfying, or I took my C value as 0. What will be my E value? E value will become 50. If you closely observe there, this entire circle of HR value is 90, C is 0, 30 plus 10, 40. How much must be your E value? Damn surely it has to be 50 only now. 40 plus 50 will be 90, and yes, 50 is satisfying there. So this circle value is satisfied. Marketing circle value is satisfied. Is my ME circle satisfying? Let's check there. ME circle value is totally 70. So B is 0, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70. Yes, perfectly satisfying. So see here, I have given maximum values to remaining thing. Finally, I am feeding the last minimum value to G, and my G minimum value is how much? Is it 10? This is my answer there. This is what you have to do for managing the things there. Maximizing and minimizing value questions will be damn surely asked in the examination. So we have done a similar type of question in 2018 mechanical gate paper here. ABC 3 movies are there, and we have done a similar type of question there. So I am not taking the same type of questions, changing the values and getting a new set of questions. Perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. And one such classic question I'm expecting you guys, right? So as an engineering student, this advanced math questions, yes, you have to solve it. So let's see how many can crack the logic in this question. What is the question asked? First of all, find the sum of all positive integral values of x. All, I'm underlining the point there. Sum of all positive integral values of x, for which x square plus 8x plus 135 is a perfect square. Now this value is a perfect square, it seems here. X square plus 8x plus 135 is a perfect square. This value is equal to a perfect square, it seems. Let's see how many can crack the logic there. Any answer for this? Chalo, right. I'll write down the equation here. Ab dekho, this is what. So there is an equation, it seems, x square plus 8x plus 135. Now, upon solving this equation is equal to a perfect square, it seems. I will take down that perfect square means 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. So I'll take y into y square, right? So little bit I'll tweak it here. So see here 135, I can make down roots for this equation. So if not, I cannot find out with normal factorization procedure. It will take a long method called, right? Again, I have to use complex quadratic equation formula and solve the questions there. Apart from that, I have a logic there. So I will convert this equation like this. Will you accept with me or not? Let me know, right? Can I write down this equation as x plus 4 whole square, x square plus 8x plus 16 plus 119. So automatically that I will be getting the same equation there. Now 119 I can write down 119 ka prime factors bolo by. So 1 into 7 into 17. Will you accept with me? Perfectly right. Closely up to 7 sevens are 49. Yes, 119. So see here, I will be writing down, I will be changing the equation like this, right? Y square minus x plus 4 whole square is nothing but equal to 119. Yes, it is 119. So see here, this is in the format of a square minus b square. Will you accept with me? Can I write down the same equation? A plus b, y plus x plus 4 into a minus b. Y minus means automatically minus into x will be minus x, plus minus into 4 will be minus 4, and this will be the equation 119. So according to the prime factors method, right? So I will be getting two cases. Observe there, case 1. If I write down the roots as, I will be, so quadratic equation are two roots. I will be taking down the roots as 1 comma 119. And you closely observe there, which is 119, which is 1, that you have to identify. So I cannot take down this as 119 ma, right? So y plus x plus 4 will be equal to 119, right? Of course, you can try it on different ways also. That's not a big deal. I will be taking down this y minus x minus 4 as 1. You can take down either ways, right? Don't worry about that. Finally, my equations are y plus x is nothing but equal to 119 minus 4 will be 115. Now y minus x is nothing but minus 4 will go on to that side, will become plus 4, and it will become 5. And I got two equations there. Am I right or wrong? So x gets cancelled. 2y is nothing but equal to how much? It is 120. Y is nothing but equal to 60. If y is equal to 60, my x value will be equal to how much? Is it 55? I got one value of x as 55. And again, my question is positive integral values there. Case 2, I'll write on case 2. Observe there, I'll write on writing case 2. I will be taking down my prime factors as 7 comma 17. And you know the equations there, right? Y plus x plus 4. Y plus x plus 4 is equal to 117. Y minus x minus 4 nothing but equal to 7. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So y plus x will be how much ma? Y plus x will be 113. 117 minus 4. Y minus x is nothing but equal to how much? Minus 4 will go on to that side, will become 11. Upon cancel on all these things, 2y is nothing but equal to 124. Y is nothing but equal to how much? I missed on anything there. Are yaar, how it is 117 yaar? 17 only na? 17 only na? It is 17. So 17 minus 4 will become 14. 17 minus 4 will become 13. So this will become how much? This is not 124, this is 24. This is 24. Now y value will become 12. By this x value will become how much? X is equal to 1. So only two cases are possible. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 55. What is the question asked? Sum of all positive. Yes. Sum of all positive, it seems. So x value 1 is 55. x value 1 is 1. So sum of all those positive integral values of x is nothing but equal to how much? 56, and this is your answer there. Basic mathematics, right? There is no hyperbolic equations or formulas also to solve here. So if you can little bit show patience here, automatically you can solve the questions fatafat. Done. Let's go for the next one. Now this is a basic question which you might have seen in many examinations and many blogs also. Let's see how many can solve this. Do try to hit the like button here so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? If you like this question, right? Forcing you. 20 seconds more. Answers. Oh. Up they go. I'll write down like this one. So see here. So this entire value has to be divided by 7, it seems here. So here I can write down like this. So by this, can I break it and write down separately? Yes, I can write down. 1 factorial is nothing but equal to 1. 1 divided by 7 plus 2 factorial is nothing but 2 divided by 7. 3 factorial is nothing but equal to 6 divided by 7. 3 factorial is 6 now. 4 factorial is nothing but equal to 24 divided by 7. So 5 factorial is nothing but equal to 120 divided by 7. So 6 factorial is nothing but 6 into 120. So 720 divided by 7. So finally, if you closely observe from later on, 7 factorial contains 7. 8 factorial contains 7. So from here, each and every value, what will be the remainder, ma? From here, each and every value, you will be getting remainder as 0. So see here, there is no need to calculate these values there because every value you will be getting, right? Every value you will be getting 0 only. So see, 1 divided by 7 remainder will be how much? 1. 2 divided by 7 remainder will be how much? 2. I'll add all those things. 6 divided by 7 remainder will be 6. 24 divided by 7 remainder will be how much? Is it 3? 7 3s are 21 plus 3 4. So how much is this? 7 1s are 7. 50 will be left over, 49. So 1 will be left over. And again here also 120 into 6 na. Already you can calculate it separately. For 121, 6 will be there, or otherwise you can calculate 7 10s are 70, 20, 14, 6. So these are the only places where you will get reminders. Add all those reminders there. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 16, 18, 19. 19 divided by 7 will be left over. Now remainder of this value 9 7 4 7 2s are 14. So your remainder value will be how much? Is it 5? This is your answer. So you can calculate in this way and solve the questions fatafat and easily. Done. So let's go for the next question. Yes, this is a very good question based on time, speed, distance. As I said, since 3 years I am saying the same point. Since 3 years I am here, right, on Unacademy, and I am saying the same point, right? So do try to draw the diagram. If you draw the diagram, automatically you can solve the question fatafat and easily. Right?
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Sorry for the glitch here. Any answers for this? Right. Observe the question there. So I'll draw the diagram. At 9 a.m., a truck smuggling weapons start traveling from point P to the point Q, it seems. So I'll take down like this little bit. I'll decrease the value. So this is point P and this is point Q. So at 9 a.m. a truck started from point P moving towards point Q, it seems, after covering 2/5 of the distance between P and Q. So this total distance, I will not take any x values, I'll take down total distance value as 5 units. So let us suppose take this is 2 units and this will be 3 units. Am I right or wrong? This will be very, very convenient for me to solve the question there. So after covering 2/5 of the distance between P and Q, it turns back immediately and speeds towards P. Now see, a truck has started from P and has gone to a point called X, which is nothing but 2 units distance, and immediately turned back and is traveling towards P, it seems. So this is the point there. Okay, fine. I'll write down like this. A police car starts the chase at 9:20 a.m. it seems from Q. So there is a police car here and it starts chasing from a point called Q at 9:20 a.m. The truck is caught at 10 a.m. exactly at P. So the truck is caught exactly at 10 a.m. it seems here. At P. Find the ratio of speed of the truck to the speed of the police car. Assume the speeds of police car and truck to be constant it seems. अब ध्यान से सुनो. So truck started from P, gone to X and came back to P. How much time did he taken for this loop there? Is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Is it 1 hour? Okay. So car started at Q and reached P in how many minutes? 40 minutes only. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now you are asked to find out speed of the truck. Speed of the truck ratio to speed of the police car. Okay. Now, what is the distance traveled by the truck there? Now observe there, P to X 2 units, back X to P 2 units, totally 4 units of distance. Divided by distance by time is nothing but equal to speed. Now time is how much? 60 minutes, right? So I'll write down in minutes, right? Is equal to, in ratio, how much distance did car travel Q to P? How many units? 5 units. So 5 units divided by speed of the car is, I mean distance, time of the car is nothing but how much? 40 minutes. So aram se you can solve this. This is 2 and this is 3. So finally speed is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 8:15? And is this your answer there? Perfectly Nasir. Simple diagram. I have solved it fatafat and easily. Time, speed, distance based questions. Always try to solve questions with diagrams. Done. Very good. Let's come to the next one. This is one of my favorite question here. So this question I have asked during my first class in Unacademy, right? So April 2020, April 1st, right? I have asked the same question in a special class. Let's see how many will solve this question there. Answer bros. Answer. Chalo, I'll solve it. What is the sum of all 4-digit even multiples of 15 formed using 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5 such that the digits are not repeated? Ab dekho, right? Let us suppose take this is a 4-digit number and it is an even number. Let's suppose take, let us first of all, if this number has to be divisible by 15, this number has to be divisible by 3 and 5 together. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? The sum of the digits has to be divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule of 5? Your unit digit has to end with a 0 or 5. The condition there. You have 5 digits with you. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 0, 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3, but we need only 4 digits, which I'll drop one digit there from increasing or decreasing order. 11, the highest number is 9, right? So which number should I drop there? 2. If I drop 2 there, so my numbers will be 0, comma 1, comma 3, comma 5. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. And Dhyan says, no, this is a 4-digit number and 4-digit even number. Am I right or wrong? If this has to be even number, the only chance I can write down is 0. So remaining 3 digits can be filled in 3 factorial ways, because I must not repeat the digits now. So what are those digits there? So I'll write down in ascending order: 1350, 1530, 3150, 3510. Because I have to find out the sum now. That's why I have to write down all these things: 5130, 5310. Let's keep it aside. Let's sum it later. I'll write down in reading this one. So what is the other thing there? I have dropped 2, it became 9. Next number is 6. If I have to get 6, I have to drop 5. 0, 1, 2, 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly. And this must also be a even number. Matlab, so see here, it has to end with 0 only. So you might get 2 chance, but if I write 2, it is not divisible by 5. So the remaining 3 numbers can be fixed in 3 factorial ways. And what are those numbers? 1, 2, 3. I'll write down in ascending order: 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope so. These are the 6 values there. Yes, perfectly. Let's calculate this. All these things are 0. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 7, 10, 12. This is 2 plus 1, 3, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13. 13, 3, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13. 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 3, 2, 0. Come to this value, add this. All the things are 0. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5, 10, 15, 18. Come to this one: 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 15, 18, 19. Come to next one: 5 plus 5, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19. Add these two numbers and this will be this is the question. Let's find the sum. 19980, 133, and 10 means 13, in 33330 is your answer there. How many of you got the same answer? Perfect then. So your answer is 3, 3, 3. The 0000, not 2 zeros. Yes, perfect. Is the answer. So only thing is you need patience here. Apart from that, nothing, right? So let's see how many can solve this. So basic question, man. There is no mathematics in this for sure. The answer for this: in a school, the students of class 5 decide to collect money to buy a gift to their class teacher. Each student had to contribute an equal amount, which is an integer. It is not a fraction, it's not a point value. On the collection day, 2 students were absent. Consequently, each of the remaining people had to contribute rupees 3 extra. The total amount collected was rupees 3 more than the original total amount. Okay. If the initial total amount to be collected was more than 200 but less than 300, how many students are in the class originally is the question asked, it seems. So, little bit trickish one. Let us suppose I will be taking down like this: number of students as X initially. Number of students as X. Okay. Now observe there, contribution, right? Each student contribution I will be taking down as Y. Each student money contribution as Y. So totally number of students into each student contribution, this is the total value. X into Y is the total value. Okay. Now on the collection day, what happened there is, on the collection day, what happened, I'll write down in black ink. 2 students were absent, it seems. So now the value became X minus 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Consequently, each of the remaining people had to contribute 3 rupees extra. Each student contribution is Y. Now it has become Y plus 3. Right? So see, the total amount collected was 3 rupees more than the original amount. So the original amount total value has to be XY. So if I subtract this became 3 rupees more, it seems. So difference between the value must be 3. Perfectly. So I will calculate X into Y will be XY. X into 3 will be plus 3X. Minus into 2Y will be minus 2Y. Minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 into plus 3 will be minus 6 is equal to minus XY is equal to 3. This XY gets cancelled. So I got an equation there. I'll write down here. 3X minus 2Y is equal to minus 6. This goes, that's it, will become 9. Equation here. A difficulty level matlab Chatterjee, right? Yes, there will be some easy questions, right? When you are attempting a lower level examination, right? When you're going for a higher level examination, yes, toughness will be there. Now see here, X and Y values has to be satisfied here, and the value total amount collected X into Y must be in between 200 to 300, it seems. 200 to 300. Okay, fine. Now, how can we do this? 3x minus 2y. You closely observe there. I'll write down like this. Let us find out one value. You closely observe there. Can I write down like this value 3x? I'll take down one more slide here so that you can have more clarity regarding this, what we are doing there. Let me come with one more slide. I'll write down here. 3x minus 2y is equal to 9 now. Now 3x is equal to 2y plus 9. Can I write down this as x is equal to 2y plus 9 divided by, now what is the minimum value that you can give for y? In order to be, this equation has to be divisible by 3. You closely observe there, what is the minimum value there? 9 plus 2 is 11. So it has to be 12. And again 15. If I write down 3 there, y is equal to 3. 3 2s are 6. Y is equal to 1 will not satisfy ma. 0 you cannot write down. So contribution has to be there, some value there. 2 y is equal to 3 is the best minimum value. 1 I cannot give you. 2 if I write down 2 into 2, 4 plus 9 will become 13. 3, 2 into y, 6 plus 9, 15. Yes, it is divided. So my y value is equal to 3. If my y value is equal to 3, what will be my x value? So calculate this. 15 by 3 is nothing but 5. Okay, done. Let's find out the connection between the values there. Then I can find out the answer very good. X into y, if you multiply it, this is becoming 15 only. But your answer has to be between 200 to 300 here. Let's see what is the pattern there. Now, what is the next best value that you can give for y? Observe there, y value. What is the next best value you can give? 3, 4. Let us give 4. 8 plus 9, 17. No. 5 2s are 10 plus 19. No. 5 will not work out. 6, 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 9 will be how much, ma? 21. Yes, 6 is working out here. Y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 5. No, not working out. See, 6 2s are 12 plus 9, 21. 21 divided by 3 is nothing but equal to 7. Now, by this, I can easily crack a pattern there. There is a gap of plus 2. There is a gap of plus 3. And again, if you observe here, 7 into 6 will be how much here? 42. Here your your x into y value must be in the range of 200 to 300. Am I right or wrong? So by this, what can I write down? It has to be more than 15 here. So I'll write down here. X is equal to 9. X is equal to 11. X is equal to 13. X is equal to 15. Let's write down this, then find out. Y is equal to how much? 3 plus 3, 9. Y is equal to 9. 9 9s are 81, not working out. 9 plus 3, 12. No, it is below 100 only. Y is equal to 15. 13 15s are how much here? It is more than 200, right? 195 only here. X is equal to 15. Y is equal to 18. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 15, 18s are. Yes, it is working out. Now see here, this is x is equal to 15, y is equal to 18. Your answer value is 270. Let's check the next value also. X is equal to 17, y is equal to 20. It is going more than 300 here. Am I right or wrong? 20 into 17, everybody know, 340. 340. Now your answer has to be between 200 to 300. This will not work out. This will work out. So your x, so how many number of students are there? I hope so you got my value there. Now see, x is nothing but number of students. X is equal to 15. Contribution of each and every student is 18. What is the question asked? How many students are there in the class originally? Originally, how many are there? 15 students are there, and this is your answer. Hope you got this. Done. Perfectly done. Solve one more question. An easy one. Try this question, right? Tomorrow we'll see the remaining questions there. Try this. If a comma b and c are non-negative integers, so that a plus b plus c is equal to 13, then find the maximum value of ab plus bc plus ca plus abc is the question. The answer 1. Oh, all right. So see here, A, B, C are non-negative, it seems. Matlab can be 0. Non-negative matlab it can be 0, right? In an integer scale, everybody know there will be 0, positive, negative. Am I right or wrong? 0, negative, positive. So non-negative means you have to write on all the positive numbers, take up to infinity. A plus B plus C is equal to 13, then the maximum value of AB plus BC plus CA plus ABC is the question asked, it seems. So how shall I, so I have to crack this data there. One thing is, so in order to find out the maximum value, if you divide the values equally to all the numbers, automatically if you multiply it, you will get the maximum value there. So that is one logic there. I'll give the procedure also. Closely observe there. First of all, I will write down this equation, like those who can crack this can get the answer, right? Procedure. So see here, 1 plus A into 1 plus B will be how much? We have done a similar type of question in the previous class here. It is 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 into B will be B, A into 1 will be A. So A plus B plus AB will be there. Okay. Now, ab dekho dhyan se. Now I will take down 1 plus C also. So if I write down 1 plus C, I hope so I will get the question there. 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 into C will be C. Okay, A into 1 will be A. B into 1 will be B. So A plus B plus C. Now closely observe there. A plus B plus C. Any other value? No, AB into 1 will be AB. AB into C will be ABC. Anything there that we are missing down there? So C said C into A will be AC. So I'll write down like this. C into A will be AC. B into C will be BC. I'll write down like this, right? I hope so you got my point there. Plus CA plus ABC. I got my question equation there. You closely observe. So what I have done there to get this equation, this is what I have done there. This is, so see here, can I write down like this? So A plus B plus C is 13. I'll write down this equation like this here. I will add 1 to A. I'll add 1 to B. I'll add 1 to C. So what will be the value there? 13 plus 3, it will become 16. Now see here, you are asked to find out maximum value of this equation. Now, so see here, means you have to break those 16 into equal parts and then you have to multiply it. Then you will get the answer maximum there. How can I break down 16 into 3 parts? I cannot break it down now because I have to get integer value there. 5, 5, 5. So I can write down like this. I'll write down this as 5. I'll write down this as 5 and I'll write down this as 6 and this will work out there. So 5 into 6 will be your value here maximum there. 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150 is the value. And again, you know one value, A plus B plus C, you know as 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. Now, how much will be this value there? This will be also maximum now. So 14, is it 136? Yes. And this is your answer there. That's it. Perfectly done. Exactly done. Na? Hi, Roshan. So we will be solving many more questions like this. I hope so. Today's question series is fantabulous questions, right? We have done the best questions there. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, ESE and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. Yes, for plus subscription, you can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. Right? The prices for plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount. And you use my code NLN10 and this is for 18 and 24. Coming to iconic, these are the prices and you will be getting 10% discount on this prices. Yes. When you use my code NL. And yes. So I'll be forwarding all my notes. I'll be interacting with you in community features. Do try to join on those classes there. I mean, on this community feature, you can ask me any doubt. We can interact there. I'll forward all my updates regarding this on the community features, right? Those who are aiming at only test series, yes, you can use this GATE Lite subscription where you'll be getting daily DPPs, right? Mock tests, sectional tests, everything, right? Of course, if you have any doubt, you need not wait for any 1 month. Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. If you have any doubt in a question, click that picture, crop it and upload in doubts and solutions section of the app or on the website. Select your preferred language and get the video solution within minutes. Ask 3 doubts at a time. Do try to join my special class, right? Because one of the only few educators which I have very huge crowd in my special classes, so where I'm dealing campus placement strategies, career opportunities, right? Each and everything in detail. Do try to join, right? The interaction level will be 10x more than here. And yes, do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the classes of all the educators, right? Regarding courses, updates, right? Please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the communities group and Telegram, hit the bell icon to get the update. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you,
Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.